I'm Mhars, and this is how I live my life. Because why not? I mean, you only live once, right? To be fulfilled is to live only by doing everything I want to do. Because no matter what I do, or where I go, the happiness don't last. So come on and join me at my adventure.
Tagal na rin akong nawala sa YouTube channel ko. Yeah, so babaguhin na natin ang aking YouTube channel. Ayan nga, lahat ng video ko naka-private na. Yes, so new channel na rin tayo. Or new video na rin po tayo. Yes. So today, this is my first vlog. First vlog. Yes, this is my first vlog in #MHARSV. Yes, so kita-kita ulit tayo mamaya dahil pauwi na kami doon sa cottage. Yes sir.